operating system. Operating system plays an important role in the computer. So operating system is nothing but it is an interface between the computer user and computer hardware. Just it acts as a mediator or interface between the computer user and computer hardware. So just it is a third party auditor, that is TPA, third party auditor to the computer user and computer hardware. So next, so we have a different kinds of operating system generally observed in the computers and Android mobile phones also. See here, Windows, Linux, Ubuntu. These are the open source operating systems. Mac operating system and Android operating systems are the pay-per-use operating system. Open source. We have a difference between the open source operating systems and pay-per-use operating systems. See here, open source operating system is nothing but we have free of cost. It can be available with a free of cost. Next, pay-per-use operating system is nothing but we have to pay to the owner so that we can get the operating systems. So Mac operating system and Android operating system generally we will observe in the mobile phones, and Linux, Ubuntu, Windows operating systems we can observe in a computers. So in a Windows generally we have a different kinds of versions, that is Windows 7, Windows 10. So different kinds of versions we have in the Windows. In the computers generally we can use Windows operating systems, and Windows operating system is a GUI based operating system, and these Linux and Ubuntu are the CUI based operating system. So GUI and CUI is nothing but a different kinds of operating system, that is two different types of operating systems. GUI, graphical user interface, and CUI, command user interface. We have a difference between the graphical user interface and command user interface. Graphical user interface means by using the mouse we can click the icons and folders. By clicking the icons and folders we can get the data, or we can open the files and folders in the computer. And by using in Linux and Ubuntu, command user interface. Command user interface is nothing but by using the keyboard we have to give the instruction to the computer so that we can get the result, or we can open the files and folders. So we have to give the instruction to the computer so that it will take so much time to get the result. So it can't possible to the normal human being to create the commands and instruction to the computer. The programmer can create the code and instruction to the computer so that he will easily create and use the application. So these are the two different kinds of operating system, that is open source operating system and pay-per-use operating systems. So hope that is clear about it. And next, this is a operating system is connected to the monitors, applications, printers, keyboard. So see here, keyboard, monitor, application, mouse, printer. So these input data will be gathered and give the output to the computer so that we can get the data. So next, multitasking. Multitasking plays a main important role in the operating system. Multitasking is nothing but one person can do two works, that is called as a multitasking. Single operation we can run as a two multiple operations. For example, see here, if you are working with MS Excel and simultaneously you want to work with the MS Word also, so there is no need of closing one application simultaneously. You can use two applications at a time. So that process is called as a multitasking. Thank you. See here, the best example of an operating system. See in upper part, different kinds of user of user working with a different kinds of applications, like user 1 is using a word processor, and user 2 using spreadsheet, that is Excel sheet, and user 3 using compiler, and user 4 is using text editors, and user 5 is using web browser, that is Google, Internet Explorer, like this. See, user 1 is working with a word processor, that is Notepad and WordPad, and user 2 spreadsheet is nothing but Excel sheet. User 3 is nothing but a compiler. We have to give the code to the compiler so that it can give the errors, and user 4 using the text editors, and user 5 using the web browser, that is Google and Internet Explorer, like this. So here different users are working on a different applications. See here the definition of the operating system is, it is a interface between the computer user and computer hardware. So the operating system act as an interface between the computer user and computer hardware. So without let us assume that without an operating system, every time the user wants to create a new code to the computer, so that it can consume lot of time. So that we have to compress that time. We are introducing the operating system into the computer. So we have two kinds of programs here: system programs and application program. System program is nothing but a modify or creating the program to the computer, and application program is nothing but a performing a specific task in a computer. So it is the best example to the operating system. So here an operating system is nothing but a it is an interface between the computer user and computer hardware. Interface is nothing but a mediator. So mediator is let us assume that third party auditor. We have a one person and second person and third person. So they are exchanging the messages from one place to another place. So here one person A is there in Delhi, and B is there in America, and C is there in Chennai. So they are exchanging the messages from one place to another place. So here A and B are placed in different places, but they are exchanging the message from one place to another place. So the third party auditor will read the messages. So just like that, an operating system is an mediator between the computer user and computer hardware.